Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, we got WFP in the building bringing the noise with another awesome weather watch face. Now this one is nice because this one is going to be live, it's going to be in real time, and it definitely looks cool in person. The name of the watch face is called WFP 0162 Summer Vacation. I think this is a nice look for an animated watch face. So far as the weather is concerned, the guy did an excellent job. In the AOD mode, I like this look because the background is going to be totally blacked out. It's going to bring all your information to the forefront. It's going to look really sharp. You get your weather info as well as your digital time, which is cool. Now once the watch face is on, as you can see at the top, you got your animated clouds, you got your moon over to the left, and this is going to be in real time. So your moon is going to move according to the time of the day. Your clouds, if it's raining in your area, you're going to see rain coming down, and that's what I'm looking forward to seeing. I want to see how good the animation is once it starts to rain. It's going to rain tomorrow, so I get a chance to take a peek at that. Now when you come down, you're going to get your location in which you're in. Also up under that, you're going to get your weather info. It's going to let you know what's happening in your sky. In mine, I got broken clouds. To the right, you're going to get your digital time and also your battery info. Up under that, you will get the day of the week. You will get your month and your day. So I like how everything is sectioned off. Everything looks nice. He definitely did a good job with the layout of the information on this watch face, and it is inactive. So if I double tap in the middle, I can double tap there, I can double tap here and set favorites. Also, if I double tap right here, I could do the same thing here and over in this corner as well. I could pull up another one. So you have 5 places in which you can set your favorites. Now, if I single tap right here, I could set an alarm. Now to set your timer, you can tap on the 8, but you have to download the timer app in order for that to work. You tap here, you'll be able to bring up your weather. And if I tap on the date, I'm going to be able to bring up, of course, my calendar, and I'll be able to set an event as well. So I thought this was a good look for an animated weather watch face. Question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.